Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the part 2 related to crossing over. Topic is factors affecting crossing over. These are the factors that can influence crossing over. We will discuss all of them one by one. So first of all is distance. The physical distance between two genes will determine both the strength of the linkage and the frequency of the crossing over between two genes. The strength of the linkage increases with the closeness of the two genes. On the other hand, the frequency of crossing over increases with increase in the physical distance between the two genes. As we had already discussed so many times about the distance, about the relationship between the distance, physical distance between two genes, and linkage, physical distance, and crossing over. And I am again repeating this. If the distance is more, then crossing over will be more. If distance is less, then linkage is more. Distance is inversely proportional to linkage, but distance is directly proportional to crossing over. We can say that if crossing over happens, there linkage will not occur. Yeah, otherwise the probability of having linkage is less. So we can say that crossing over is inversely proportional to linkage. If crossing over is more, then linkage will be less, and if linkage is more, then crossing over will be less. And the relationship between distance and linkage is inversely proportional. Distance and crossing over is direct relationship. This is all about the distance. Now second one is age. Increase in age decreases the degree of crossing over in most of the cases. All these factors that influence the crossing over had been observed in Drosophila. The experiments related to these factors were occurred on Drosophila. So the scientists observed that increase in age decreases the degree of crossing over in most of the cases. Third one is sex, that is the gender, either is male or female. So male Drosophila shows little crossing over, and the female showing crossing over is quite high. So male Drosophila crossing over is suppressed, and in female Drosophila crossing over is high. And it has been observed that the tendency of reduction of crossing over have been observed in male mammals also. Next one is X-rays. Exposure to X-ray increases the phenomenon of crossing over. The scientists produced a number of crossovers in male Drosophila with the help of X-rays. Next one is temperature. Variation in temperature increases the frequency of crossing over. That means if we either increase or decrease the temperature, that will have the effect on crossing over. So it can either increase or decrease the frequency of crossing over. It has been observed that the variation, either increase or decrease, will both increase the frequency of crossing over. Next one is heterochromatin. Presence of centromere and heterochromatic areas decreases the rate of crossing over. The more details about centromere and heterochromatin we will discuss in the next upcoming videos. Next one is chemicals. The man-made chemicals that has been used that can influence the phenomenon of crossing over. So a number of chemicals present in the food have been found that it can change the degree of crossing over in animals. That means the frequency can be changed by the use of chemicals. This is all about the factors that affects the crossing over. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then please like and share it. And for more such videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.